craft lovers, my name is Raina. I work for the Western Sullivan Public Library, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a kitchen utensil holder out of a tin can and a bunch of wine corks. Now I know that some of you don't have wine corks at home, but you can also use buttons, you can use seashells, you can use rope, even bottle caps. So really it's just a way for us to upcycle some materials that we have at home. So I just took a soup can and I washed it, and I've been keeping a bunch of them actually. So washed it, dried it. You're going to start with that. And you're going to want a hot glue gun. And then about 40 wine corks if you have them. So first we are going to lay the corks around the tin can so we can get an idea of how many we're going to need. So it looks like I'm going to be using 6 for the bottom. And now we can start hot gluing. So I'm going to just do a little bit of hot glue on the actual cork. And then attach it to the bottom. And I'm going to do this all the way around. Now I have a few different shaped wine corks, so these ones are a little bit longer than my other ones, and so I realized this one actually isn't going to fit the way that I want it here, so I grabbed a smaller one and I'm going to fit that right in there. Perfect. So this is how your first layer should look on the bottom. So we're just going to lay them on top of each other. We're going to do the same thing that we were doing before. And what I'm doing is I'm trying to center it right between those. So I did a different type of cork at the second layer. They're a little bit smaller. Now I'm going to go back to using those long corks. It just gives it a different look. And then back to the smaller ones. So now I have this rim around the top. I still want to do one more layer to hide that. All right, and there you have it. Your new wine cork kitchen utensil holder. Now you can see that my wine corks obviously weren't all even, but that makes it unique. And stay tuned for next Friday at 4 p.m. I'll have another video ready for you guys. And next week we'll be making egg carton flowers. So that should be fun. Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed.